Time is money. You've heard that 1,000 times. But how do we actually use this time to make our wealth for ourselves? Hi, this is Stanley from Centonomy, and welcome to another Tutorial Thursday. This week we're addressing that very important topic of time and how we can use it to build wealth. It is so critical that at Centonomy Campus Edition, we keep saying that the biggest advantage that young people have in wealth creation is actually their time. So let's look at some of the things, 5 things that you can actually use together with your time to start making wealth for yourself. Number 1, your time and savings. Now, time allows for you to save small amounts every month, even as a young person. Look at that allowance that you're receiving. Look at that side hustle that you're getting some little money from. Time plus those savings will allow that money to grow over time and take you to the next level. Whether it is an issue of building capital, whether it is an issue of that goal that you've always wanted to achieve, time plus savings will get you there. The next thing that we're going to combine time with is time and effort. You actually get an A for effort. Effort is so important. You must start applying yourself, giving effort to whatever it is goal that you're aiming for in terms of wealth creation. And if you combine the time, you put in the time and then you even put in the effort, it gives you a far better chance of getting success or getting that wealth you're looking for. The question is, how much effort are you really putting into your wealth creation? Are you really? Question that. The next thing, point number 3, time and skill, or time and your talents. You have time, you're a young person, you have talents and skills. Use the two, combine the two to just develop and apply that talent and skill to add something that can build wealth for you. Are you a photographer? Are you a musician? Do you know how to cook? You're not a cook, you're a chef, remember? If you apply time to that talent, you can develop it and it can get to the point of where it is actually giving you, it becomes a wealth creation vehicle for you. So time versus talents, or time plus the talent, is very, very important. The next step, point number 4, is time and risk. Now, we've done a recent video on risk and advise you to go and look through it. But one of the things we discussed there is the fact that risk, we must get comfortable with risk, okay? And one of the things that tries to mitigate, or it helps to reduce the risk, is time, okay? That's why at Centonomy we advise for people to look at longer term investments, because time in itself actually attempts to mitigate risks. If, for example, we are talking about shares, there's the daily up and down, but look at long-term trends. Even in your business, don't give up because 1 or 2 clients have not gone well. Over the long run, over a long period of time, that risk becomes reduced, or it becomes more and more manageable. Point number 5, time plus learning. Are you learning? Use time to learn. Spare some time to learn something new about money. This is exactly what you're doing at this moment when you're watching this Tutorial Thursday. You're taking your time to learn. For you who is young, do not lose time and lose the opportunity to learn about money. Ask your parents, ask whoever it is that pays your school fees, if they had learned about money management when they were young, where would they be? Come and give yourself a head start. Use the time to learn about money. Centonomy Campus Edition. As always, thank you very much for watching this week's Tutorial Thursday. Facebook, Twitter, at Centonomy. Make sure you read our blog. As always, subscribe and even comment on this Tutorial Thursday. What do you think about time? What questions do you have? See you next week on another Tutorial Thursday.